Alright, so which one are you going to open first today?
I want this one.
The Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope I get the mystery one.
The mystery one. Okay. Let's see who you get.
We need scissors.
Here, let Mommy open it. Okay, go ahead and pull it out. Let's see who you get.
It's not duplicate.
Here, can I see it?
No, I see it. Let me see.
Alright, it looks like he got Thomas.
No. That's his Thomas best
Alright,
friend.
here's the one that he got. I want to say it's Thomas, but it probably isn't. Let's see who it is. Let me see the checklist, please. Alright, so the one he got is Gordon. And I'm sure he's just like a regular, common, original train. Alright, which one are you opening next?
Another one.
Another Thomas?
Yeah. Let's get the mystery again.
Okay, hold it up here a little bit. Hold it up more. Yeah, there you go.
Can't open it.
Alright.
Hello.
Alright, pull it out. Who is it?
A duplicate.
Is it Gordon again?
Yeah, it's
No,
a
it's
duplicate.
not.
It's a duplicate.
Alright, well he got Gordon again. That's cool, I guess. A duplicate though. Boo-hoo.
Aw.
Okay, Myles, which one are you opening up now?
This one.
The lion guard?
Aw.
Hi, Wah. You're silly. Okay, open it. Who
Aw.
are you hoping for?
I want the mystery one.
Okay, let's see who you
The
get.
statue one.
Okay.
Huh?
Do you need help?
No.
Okay.
Aw. Hope I get
The mystery.
I have to get out. I want stupid kids is stupid. Get out.
Who is it?
We're bad guy.
Oh,
We're
goodness.
bad guy.
Oh, no. Here's the one Myles got, and he says it's a bad guy. Oh, man.
This guy's bad guy.
Aw. Alright, here's the one that he got, and it's Janja. And yeah, they look like a bad guy. Oh, man. Alright, open up your last blind bag, which is another Lion Guard one.
Hello.
Wow, you opened up that one real good. Mystery. Who is that one? Ooh. Can I see him? Alright, so he did get a Kion, but I don't think it's the mystery one. Man. Alright, he got Battle Kion. That's awesome. Okay, here are all the ones that he got today. Which one's your favorite, Myles?
Twins.
The twin trains?
Yeah.
My favorite is Battle Kion. He's cool. Alright, well that's going to be it for Myles' video. Don't forget to thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye! Say bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.